Good morning, my dear children. Welcome back to my session. We are doing lesson number 9. How many times? How many times means multiplication. In the first session, we learned some basic things regarding multiplication. Today, let us move on to the test book. So, all of you, please take out your test book. Take lesson number 9. How many times? Leggy animals. There are 5 goats. How many legs altogether? You can see there are 5 goats here. You have to find out how many legs do these 5 goats have. So we have to find out how many legs are the total number of legs. So you know that one goat have how many legs? One goat has 4 legs. One goat is having 4 legs. So there are 5 goats. You can see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have to find out the total number of legs. So first goat 4, second also 4, like that 5 times we have written 4. 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4, that is equal to 20. Otherwise 5 times 4. How many times 4 is repeating here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 times 4. That means 5 fours are 20. So, if you want to find out the number of legs of 5 goats, one goat is having 4 legs. So, how many legs 5 goats have? They have 5 into 4, that is equal to 20. Otherwise, 5 times 4 is equal to 20. We learned that multiplication means repeated addition. You can see the 4 is repeatedly added for 5 times. You can see here 4 is being added repeatedly. So, how many times? 5 times. So, if you add a number repeatedly, that makes multiplication. So, 5 times 4. Instead of adding, if the number of goats are 100, 125 like that, then can you add 4 that much times? No. That time we will apply this multiplication. So, here 5 goats are there, so 5 times. One goat is having 4 legs. So, 5 into 4, that is equal to 20. Okay. Next one, how many spiders? How many spiders are there in this picture? There are 3 spiders. One spider has dash legs. How many legs a spider has? See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. A spider has 8 legs. In all, spider legs are 3 times 8. So, if we have to find out the total number of legs of 3 spiders. One spider is having 8 legs. 3 spider is having 3 times 8. So, otherwise 8 plus 8 plus 8. This is having 8 legs. So, first one 8. Again 8 legs. 8. This spider is also having 8 legs. So, 8 plus 8 plus 8 is equal to 24. Otherwise, 3 spiders are there. So, 3 times how many legs? 8 legs. So, 3 spiders, 3 into how many times 8? 3 times 8. One spider is having 8 legs. How many spiders are there? There are 3 spiders. So 3 times 8. Otherwise 3 into 8 is equal to how much? 24. Okay. Now, do you know this leggy fellow? Do you know this? Which animal is this? This is an octopus. What is this? This is an octopus. It lives in the sea. Where do it live? It lives in the sea. Do you know how many legs an octopus have? An octopus has 8 legs. How many legs? 8 legs. So, here given how many legs altogether do 5 octopus have? You can see here 5 octopuses are there. We have to find out the number of legs together. Altogether, how many legs are there? So, 5 times what will happen? How many legs? 8 legs. So, 5 times 8. Otherwise, 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8. One is having 8 legs. So, 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8. How much? You will get the answer 40. Otherwise, how many octopuses are there? 5. So, 5 times 1 octopus is having 8 legs. So, 5 times 8 is equal to 40. Otherwise, 5 eights are times means multiplication. 5 eights are 40. Okay. So, if you get a question like this, what you have to do? First one, write the number of animals or things given here. Here number of animals are 5. So, that is 5. And each animal is having how many legs? 8 legs. That is into 8. Okay. So, 5 times 8 is equal to 40. Otherwise 5 8s are 40. So 8 octopus have 40 legs. Okay. Now we have to find the number without counting. In the next page, you have to find out the number without counting. You should not count like this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 like that. No need of counting, but you have to find the number without counting. Okay. So how many flowers in a flower? This is a flower bud. We have to find out how many flowers are there. You can see many flowers arranged in rows and columns. So we have to find out the number of flowers. How many columns are there? This is column 1, 2, 3, 4. You can see 4 columns here. So it has 4 columns, and each column has 6 flowers. On each column you can see there are 4 columns, and each column 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In each column there are 6 flowers. So altogether the flower bed has how many flowers? 4 times 6. That means 4 columns are there. So 4 times 1, 2, 3. As in octopus, we learned 5 octopuses are. Likewise, here 4 columns are there. So 4. And each has 6 flowers. In octopus, each octopus has 8 legs. Likewise, here each column has 6 flowers. So 4 times 6. 4 times 6 means otherwise 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6. 4 times 1, 2, 3, 4 times 6 is equal to 24. Otherwise 4 times 6, 4 into 6 is equal to 24. So without counting we have to find out the number of flowers. So number of flowers is 24. Otherwise you have to count like this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it will take more time. So instead what you have to do, you have to find out the number of columns. How many columns are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. And in each column how many flowers are there? In one column you can see 6 flowers. So all columns are having 6 flowers. So 4 times 6 is equal to 4 6 are 24. Okay. Now next question, let us see. Let us try another way. The flower bed has 6 rows. Here given column, in this flower bed here given rows. Okay, rows means this is rows, horizontal way. This is row, and if it is vertical, that is column. If it is horizontal, that is row. So in each row there are 6 flowers. How many rows are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 rows are there, and in each row there are how many flowers? There are 4 flowers. So 6 times, rows are 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 times 4. 6 times 4 is equal to 6 4s are 24. So how many flowers are there? 24 flowers. Let us see the next question. Okay. In the same way, how many bottles are there? So here there are many bottles. Okay. So it is arranged in boxes. You can see in arranged very neatly in each column. So how many? Let us see how many rows are there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 rows. You can see here 5 rows are there. So 5 times, how many bottles are there in each row? There are 1, 2, 3, 4. How many bottles? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rows. So 5 times. In one row, how many bottles? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 5 times 4 is equal to how many bottles are there? There are 20 bottles. You can write in this way. So 4 times 5 is also correct. If you are counting like this, columns 1, 2, 3, 4 columns. If you are counting like this, there are 4 columns. If you are writing 4 times 5, that is also correct. Okay, total of 20. Here how many eggs? Let us see how many columns are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so let us count the rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rows. So write 5 times. In one row how many eggs are there? There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 5 times 6. 5 6 are how much? 30 eggs. Okay, so this is multiplication. Okay, if you are adding a number repeatedly, that will constitute multiplication. Okay, so we have learned some exercises in the textbook. Copy these answers to your textbook. Let us continue the session tomorrow. So thank you.